Hey guys, and welcome back to plugin. In this video, you'll see how you can add age verification in your WordPress website using our AgeGate Pro plugin. This plugin is used to ask visitor age before displaying the website. More about this later on. For now, let's get started. First, just go to your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to plugin and click on Plugin List. Here you have to find WP AgeGate Pro. You scroll and find it, or you can search for it. So this is the plugin. Now, just hit download. It will take a few seconds, and now click on activate. And now it's activated, and new option is also added, AgeGate Pro. Just click on it. Here you can see all the settings and options for customization. We'll go through each, one by one. Now let's start with the first one. First option simply is to enable and disable the plugin. Then here we can set the visitor's mini-moon age. Then we have remember days for visitors. Here you can set for how many days website will not ask for age verification from the same user. You can set this as per your requirement. I will set this as 0 because I'm showcasing you right now. Then next we have display site without redirecting. If you don't enable this, then when visitor verify his age, website will be reloaded, then shows the content. But if you enable this, then once the visitor verify his age, website content will be directly shown to him. In simple words, page won't be redirected. Next, we have apply on logged-in user. If you enable this, age verification will ask even for logged-in user. Next, we have apply on homepage. By enabling this, age verification will be added to your website's homepage. Then we have apply on specific pages. By enabling this, you can add age verification on any specific page you like. You can also add multiple pages, and same goes for others. You can apply age verification on specific posts, any specific category. Also on any specific product category. If you are using WooCommerce, real-life example of this would be, suppose there is a movies website where there is a category for adult movies. You can use this on that category to take visitor consent. Then next, we have choose template. Here you can choose any template you like, and don't worry if template doesn't look good. You can customize each and everything from that template. Now suppose in rare case, you doesn't like any of the template. Then you can upload your own template. Just scroll up and click on Upload Skin. Here you can upload your O1 template, and if you scroll down, you can see the requirement. Next, we have age verification form data. With this, you can change the text of the age verification form. For example, first is form heading. It is written as, please verify your age. And if you look at the verification form, you'll see here it is. You can change it as per your liking. Then we have form main content. You can see the text here. You can also use placeholders here. And this is how it will be visible in verification form. And same goes for other forms. Then we have customize pop-up. If you enable the first one, you can upload your own custom image. And this area is called pop-up. So image will be placed here. So let's just upload the image. Now as you can see, image is uploaded. Now just click on insert into post. And now just save the setting and hit refresh. Now you get the idea. You can also adjust the typography by enabling this. You can adjust the heading font size, headline height, and all. Next, we have manage color. By enabling this, you can change the color of pop-up as per your liking. Next, we have GDPR form. If you enable this, there will be term and condition tick box on the pop-up. Next up, we have customize background overlay. You can enable this if you want to change the background image. Just upload the background same as previously. Now just save the setting and hit refresh. It's not looking great, but you get the idea. You can also apply filters. You can add blur, grayscale, sepia. You can also adjust contrast, saturation, brightness, and all. And at last we have advanced setting. At first we have date format. You can change it as per your visitors. Then we have debug mode. Don't enable it on live website. Only use this for development purpose. Then we have redirect on short age. Suppose someone's age is less than the required age. Then by enabling this, you can paste the link of the website or page where you want to take them. And now at last, we have custom CSS. You can use this to make changes on front end. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.